Hey y'all, it's last day of April. We're messing around out in the garage making little fittings for the top of the reservoir hoses here. These are going to be the remote reservoir, and this is going to be the cap that goes on it. Could I go out and buy barbed fittings and all that? Yeah, sure I could. But what's the fun in that when you can make them yourself, right? I've got about 5 or 10 minutes wound up in 2 of these things. I drilled 3 just in case I screwed one up. But we drill it out and we'll put a number 10 bolt through it with a nut on the end like we did here. This is the second one. We tighten the nut down, we take it over, put it in mini lathe, and then this is what, like I said, this is what we started with. We turn down the thick part of it, right? And we'll leave a little barb on the end. We do the same thing on this end in the drill, because once we get this thing in the lathe, we can't really get to it with a cutter. It's just too deep into the chuck, you know what I mean? So, yeah, we like I said, I've got about 10 minutes worth of time in there. I couldn't have got to the store and back, let alone spend the $1.42 a piece for the fittings. So, bing, bang, boom, there we go. They're old compression brake fittings. We don't use them for anything anymore. I had a whole pile of this stuff laying around. Literally takes a couple of minutes using a file and mini lathe, and bing, bang, boom. So once I get this stuff all cleaned up and mounted up, brake rod back on and everything's adjusted and stuff, I'll bring you back and show you the finished product. I'm going to get the cart over to Larry to Wayne, his brother Wayne's shop in Zeeland tomorrow afternoon. We'll probably bail out of here about 9 or 10 in the morning with the cart in the back of the truck and get out there and check out Wayne's shop. Well, if he'll let us, I'm sure he will. If he doesn't mind, we'll take a quick video over there and show you Wayne's nice little shop. He's got in a little industrial strip. Pretty cool stuff. So hang in there, guys. Last day of April. May's coming. Summer's coming. It'll get better.